And most people are running their entire business with 10 different apps they pay for every month, when 7 AI prompts can replace all of them for free. I figured this out after wasting over $300 a month on software subscriptions. Then I realized the AI was right there the whole time. And once I built these 7 prompts into my workflow, I dropped almost every paid tool I had. Today I'm going to give you all 7. These are the exact prompts I use every single day to run my business on autopilot. And every single one of them is completely free to use right now. Let's get into it. Prompt 1, the Content Factory. Here's the exact prompt I use to create a full week of content in about 10 minutes. Type this into ChatGPT or Claude, act as a top-tier YouTube content strategist. Based on this niche, insert your niche, give me 5 high search demand video ideas with a hook, title, thumbnail text, and 5-point outline for each. Make each idea target a viewer who wants to make money or save time. That single prompt generates a full content calendar. I use it every Monday. Takes me 7 minutes. Done. Prompt 2, the Cold Email Machine. If you're doing any kind of outreach, affiliate marketing, freelance, B2B, this one is worth its weight in gold. Use this, write a cold email to a type of business owner. My offer is what you do or sell. The email should be under 80 words, open with a curiosity hook about their biggest pain point, and end with one specific call to action. Make it conversational, not sleazy. I used this prompt to land 3 affiliate deals in 1 week without ever writing a single email myself. Prompt 3, the Video Script Engine. Every video on my channel starts with this prompt. Copy it exactly, write a YouTube script for a faceless channel in the make money online niche. Topic, insert topic. Script should be 6 to 8 minutes long. Open mid-sentence with a pain point hook. Use numbered points. Include a call to action at the end pointing to my website. Tone, confident, fast-paced, conversational. That's what built this channel. That's what you're watching right now. Prompt 4, the SEO Optimizer. Most people upload a video and just guess on titles and tags. This prompt fixes that, act as a YouTube SEO expert. I just made a video about topic. Give me a 60-character SEO optimized title, a 150-word description with 3 keyword variations, 10 tags with search volume potential, and thumbnail hook text under 4 words. Format it cleanly. Every video I upload has at least 1,000% better chance of getting found because of this one prompt. Prompt 5, the Customer Reply Machine. If you have any kind of product, service, or comment section, this saves hours. You are a friendly, professional customer service agent for my online business. Here is the customer message, paste message. Write a reply that is empathetic, solves their problem, and ends with an upsell or referral to my website naturally. Keep it under 100 words. I've used this to handle everything from refund requests to affiliate questions without typing a single word myself. Prompt 6, the AD Copy Generator. Running traffic? Promoting anything? This prompt builds the whole funnel for you. Write 3 versions of a short form ad for product or service. Version A, fear-based hook. Version B, desire-based hook. Version C, curiosity-based hook. Each version should be under 50 words and include a clear call to action. Target audience, describe who you're selling to. Test all 3, double down on the winner. That's the entire playbook. Prompt 7, the Monthly Revenue Planner. This is the one nobody talks about. Every month I run this prompt and it gives me my entire 30-day business plan. I want to make dollar amount this month from your business model. Break it down into a 30-day action plan. Week 1, foundation. Week 2, traffic. Week 3, conversions. Week 4, scale. Give me 3 specific tasks per day for the first week. Be precise, not vague. That prompt turned my scattered to-do list into a real system. And it's free on every AI platform that exists right now. Here's the thing, you don't need expensive software. You don't need a big team. You need the right prompts and the right workflow. I break down everything I use at TheNewMind.pplx.app. Every tool, every prompt template, every affiliate deal I'm running, it's all there for free. Go check it out after this video and grab the full AI toolkit I put together for you. If this helped you, hit subscribe because I drop a new video every single Tuesday with more strategies exactly like this. See you in the next one.